Hello students! Welcome back to our grammar class. Today we're going to learn about active and passive voice. As we learned in our previous grade, active voice is used to highlight the subject in the sentence as the doer of the action. Passive voice is used to highlight the subjects in the sentence and the action acted upon them. Check the examples. Let's look more examples to understand active voice and passive voice. This sentence is in active voice, where the subject is the focal point. The action in the sentence is indicated directly. The verbs used in the sentence are active. Look at other example. This sentence is in a passive voice. In a passive voice, the active voice is transformed using the following structure. Be auxiliary verb plus past participle of the main verb. Example: I study English in the garden. The verb used here is an intransitive verb which cannot be changed into passive voice. I studied English in the garden. Here, the verb is transitive and can be changed into passive voice. English was studied by me in the garden. Rules of transformation. Personal pronouns. While transforming sentences from active voice to passive voice, you must keep in mind certain rules. Let us look at the following rules and conditions. While transforming into passive voice, the personal pronouns are changed as following. Check the table for clear understanding. Subject-verb agreement. In a sentence, the subject and a verb must agree in respect to the person and the number. To transform active voice to passive voice, look at the following rule. Subject plus be form of the verb plus past participle form of the main verb. Check the example. Tense. To transform active voice to passive voice, the tense of the verb used in the sentence remains the same. Check the example. Modals. To transform active voice to passive voice, the modal used in the sentence remains the same. Check the example. Here, while transforming active voice to passive voice, the modal verb remains the same, that is, may. However, in passive voice, the verb be is added between the modal verb and the main verb, and the main verb is changed to past participle tense. Ditransitive verbs. Verbs that are associated with direct and indirect object are ditransitive verbs. Check the example. To transform active voice to passive voice, two methods can be used. By emphasizing on the subject. Check the example. By omitting the subject or doer, also known as agentless passive structure. Check the example. Phrasal verbs. To transform active voice to passive voice, the phrasal verb is changed in following manner. Check the example. Interrogative sentences. As you are aware, interrogative sentences are used to frame questions and serve the purpose of gathering information. Check the example. To form an interrogative sentence, the following rule is applied. Auxiliary verb plus subject plus main verb plus predicate. Look at the following examples to understand how to transform active voice to passive voice. Here, the basic structure and grammatical formation of the interrogative sentences in active voice and passive voice remains the same, but the sentences follow the same structure. The auxiliary verb is followed by the subject. Similarly, while transforming the interrogative sentences starting with the WH word family, the structure and grammatical formation remains the same. Check the example. Imperative sentences. As you are aware, imperative sentences are used to express a request, command, or advice. They do not necessarily require a subject. Check the example. Here, while transforming to passive voice, we have added let and the auxiliary verb be. Also, the main verb is changed to its past participle tense. The implied subject you is written as an agentless passive structure. While transforming imperative sentences, keep the following things in mind. While transforming sentences beginning with let, the following structure is followed. Let plus passive subject plus be plus past participle form of the main verb. Check the example. While transforming words such as requested, asked, directed, etc. can be added. although the main verb of the sentence changes to the infinitive form. Check the example. Transforming infinitives. As you are aware, infinitives are a kind of non-finite verbs which are preceded by to. Check the example. He hates to wake up early. You can transform active voice to passive voice by following this structure. To plus be plus past participle tense. Check the example. Time to practice. Pause the video and try filling the blanks in the practice exercises. Check the answers. Great work, students! You've now learned active and passive voice in detail. Practice regularly. Keep learning and see you in the next class.